Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printer for engineering. This 3D printer is especially for users that can handle technical know-how. With this 3D printer, you can create complex models and engineer high-precision parts that are accurate to the last detail. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printer for engineers. They can all produce highly detailed components with accuracy and precision. The output of 3D printers can be used to create prototypes or models for engineering projects. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Dremel Digilab 3D printer. If you're a LEGO enthusiast looking to take your building game to the next level, the Dremel Digilab 3D45-01 3D printer is your ultimate choice. This incredible machine is one of the best 3D printers and is perfect for creating custom LEGO pieces that will bring your imagination to life. With its advanced capabilities, the Dremel Digilab 3D45-01 is designed to handle a wide range of materials, making it LEGO-friendly and versatile. Whether you want to print with ECO-ABS, Nylon, PETG, or PLA filament, this printer can handle it all effortlessly. Its all-metal 0.4mm nozzle can reach temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius, allowing you to print precisely and precisely. Setting up this printer is a breeze, thanks to the guided setup process that gets you from unboxing to printing in no time. Plus, the 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen with an intuitive interface makes navigating different functions a fun and seamless experience. The Dremel Digilab 3D45-01 has top-rated features to make your LEGO printing journey more enjoyable. It boasts an automated 9-point leveling sensor that ensures a perfectly leveled print bed. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.